Now see your next problem. If the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder is x plus a. Find k and a. Here find the value of k and a. That is, here you have to find out the a value, and here you have to find out the k value. Okay, now let us see. X power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Now let us see, is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Now our first part, first cancellation, x to the power 4 by x square power 4 cancel, there is x square left. Now x square into x square, x to the power 4 minus x square into 2x cube plus x square into k, kx square. Now the first part is over. Change the signs, minus plus minus, both the parts are cancelled. Now minus 2x minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, nothing but minus 4x cube. From these two take x square common, plus x square common. If you take x square common, 16 minus k left, x cube, x, now down x part, minus 25x. Now second part, here the minus is this part, immediately you have to shift here, and the next you have to change the sign of your divisor. Plus is there, right, the minus is there, right, plus, next plus is there, right, minus. Now 4x cube by x square, that is equals to x square cube get cancelled, 4x is left. Now again with this 4x multiply your divisor, 4x into x square, 4x cube. Next 4 2s are 8 x square, 4 2s are 8 x square. Next 4x into k, 4xk, plus minus plus. Now get cancelled. Again in this one take x square common. If you take x square common, the rest of the parts are 16 minus k minus 8. That is 16 minus 8, that is nothing but 8 minus k. Now x square term is 8 minus k. Next x term, from these two take again x common, that is plus x common. If you take plus x common, 4k minus 25 left, x square, x, next one is a constant, plus 10 down. Next part 3 cancellation, 8 minus k into x square by x square, x square get cancelled, 8 minus k plus 8 minus k, right, 8 minus k into x square into 8 minus k minus 2x into 8 minus k. Now x separate, come on, 2 into 8, 16, 16, next minus 2k, Now plus k into 8 minus k into 8 minus k, that is 8k minus k into k square. Now change the signs, minus plus minus, cancel the both parts. Now see, minus 2k plus 4k 2k, minus 25 plus 16 minus 9 into x. Next plus minus into minus plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Now compare the coefficients of x and constant, that is 2k minus 9 is equal to 1, 2k is equal to 1 plus 9, 2k is equal to 10, that is k is equal to 5. Next k square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to a. Why? Because it is a x plus a, x coefficients are compared, now constants are. Now k value is the 5, 5 square minus 8 times 5 plus 10 is equal to a. 25 minus 40 plus 10 is equal to a, that is minus 15 plus 10 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 5. Okay, therefore the values of the a and the k are ready. Okay, see our next problem. If the sum and product of zeros of ax square 5x plus c is equal to 10 each, find the values of a and c. Okay, in this question, variable coefficient of x square is a and the constant c, both are unknown values. But here the condition is given that the sum and product of zeros both are equal to 10, that is ax square plus bx plus c is a general form. Now compare the coefficients. A value is a only, b value is a minus 5 and the c value is a c. And after that given sum equal to product equal to 10, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 10. Similarly alpha beta is equal to 10, that is alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a formula is equal to 10, that is minus half. What is the b value? Minus 5 by a is equal to 10, that is 5 by a is equal to 10. Now 5 by 10 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to 1 by 2. Now I am ready with the value of a. Similarly come to alpha beta. Alpha beta nothing but c by a is equal to 10. What is the c value? C only, but a value, just I am ready with the a value, that is a 1 by 2 is equal to 10, that is c is equal to 10 into 1 by 2, that is c is equal to 5. Now I am ready with the values of a and c. Therefore required quadratic polynomial is. Now come on, what is the a value? X square by 2 minus 5x. What is the c value? Plus 5, which is a required quadratic polynomial. Welcome to the second question. C. If 1 0 of 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1 is 7 times to the other, then find the value of the k. That is, first given 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1. Now identify the positions. A value is a 3, B value is a minus 8, C value is a 2k plus 1. Now given condition is alpha is equal to 7 times to beta. Why? See here 1 0 is 7 times the other. Now that is, first given condition is equal to alpha is equal to 7 by beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to, you know very well, minus b by a. That is alpha in place. Now in place of alpha I will write 7 beta. 7 beta plus beta is equal to minus, what is the b value? Minus 8 by a value is 3. That is 8 beta is equal to 8 by 3. 8 get cancelled. Beta is equal to 1 by 3. Now I am ready with the beta value. Now come to the second part. Alpha beta is equal to product of the roots is equal to c by a. That is alpha nothing but 7 beta into beta is equal to c value is 2k plus 1 by a value is 3. That is 7b square is equal to 2k plus 1 by 3. That is 7 b square, beta nothing but 1 by 3. That is a 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 2k plus 1 by 3. Now let's continue. That is 7 into 1 by 9 is equal to 2k plus 1 by 3. Now 3 table 9 get cancelled 3 times. The left part is 7 by 3 is equal to 2k plus 1. Now cross multiply and follows. That is 3 times 2k plus 1 is equal to 7. That is 6k plus 3 times 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 7. 6k is equal to 7. Carry forward, there is a minus 3. 6k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 6. K is equal to, convert into simple fraction, that is 2 by 3. K value is 2 by 3. Now therefore find the value of the k. Therefore the k value is 2 by 3. Find the zeros of the following. Here 4 different questions are given, and these 4 different questions are quite different from the textbook models. That is, which is called as generally extended models. Based on the concept, we have to find out the zeros of the given one. Okay, let us see how to find the zeros of the following. X square minus x square plus root 2x minus 4. Now first see, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. You have to find out the factors of 4. Constant beside minus is there. That means you have to do the subtraction. After subtraction you must get 2. That is, multiplication will give you 4. subtraction will give you 2. Now 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2, you know very well. The root 2 into root 2 nothing but 2. That is 2 times 2, 4. That is 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is equal to root 2. I got my middle term. Now arrange these are in order. That is x square plus 2 root 2x minus root 2x minus 4. That is equal to, from these two terms take x common. If you take x common, x plus 2 root 2. Now from these two, what you have to take common is minus root 2 take common. If you take minus root 2 common, x minus 2 root 2 left. That is equal to, now let us check root 2 into x, root 2 into x, root 2x, that is minus into minus plus. Now change this as a plus, minus into plus minus, root 2 into root 2, 2 2s are 4. Now the common factor is x plus 2 root 2 and other factor is x minus root 2. Therefore zeros are 0 of x plus 2 root 2, you know, that is a minus 2 root 2, comma 0 of x minus root 2 is root 2. Next come to the second question, that is root 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. Now give the mapping, that is root 3 into 7 root 3, that is equal to root 3 into root 3, you know very well 3, that is 7 3s are 21. For 21 you have to find out the factors. Addition will give you 10. Therefore the factors are 7 3s are 21, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now your factors are 7 and 3. Arrange it is in order. Root 3 x square plus 3x plus 7x plus root 3. That is equal to, from these two parts I want to take root 3x common. If I take root 3x common, the left part is x plus root 3 plus, from these two I want to take, from these two I want to take 7 as the common. If I take 7 as the common, x plus root 3, that is equal to, therefore the common factor is x plus root 3 and other factor is root 3x plus 7. Therefore conclude the answer, zeros are 0 of x plus root 3 is a minus root 3 and the 0 of root 3 x plus 7 is minus 7 by root 3. Now please come to the question number 3, that is 5 root 3 x square minus 37x minus 8 root 3. Again first give the mapping. 5 root 3 into 8 root 3, that is equal to 5 8s are 40 into 3, that is equal to 120. For 120 you have to find out the factors. Subtraction will give you 40 minus 3, 37. Now arrange in order. 5 root 3 x square, next minus 40x plus 3x minus 8 root 3, that is equal to, take 5x common. If you take 5x common, root 3x minus 8 plus, take root 3 common, root 3x minus 8. Therefore common factor is root 3x minus 8 and other factor is 5x plus root 3. Therefore zeros are 8 by root 3 comma minus root 3 by 5 are the zeros. Okay, now let's see the fourth question. X square minus 2 root 3 x minus 24. That means 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Now you have to find out the factors of 24. Subtraction will give you 2 root 3. That is 4 root 3 into 2 root 3. 4 2s are 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 8 3s are 24. Now 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. Now my middle term is ready. That is equal to x square minus 4 root 3x plus 2 root 3x minus 24. That is equal to, from this one take x common. If you take x common, x minus 4 root 3 plus, now from this 2 take 2 root 3 common. If you take 2 root 3 common, x minus 4 root 3, let us check once. 2 root 3 into x, 2 root 3x plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8, root 3 into root 3, 3, 8 3s are 24, you got your previous step. Therefore the common factor is x minus 4 root 3 and the other factor is x plus 2 root 3. Therefore zeros are 4 root 3 comma minus 2 root 3. See your next problem, which is some typical. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, find the polynomial whose zeros are. Your zeros are in the fraction form. Now see, let's, given quadratic polynomial is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Identify the positions of A 3, B 2, C 1. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now I am ready with sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Now I have to find out the polynomial whose zeros are these two. Now quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. First find out their sum. Sum of zeros, that is 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha plus 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta, that is equal to, let's simplify, that is 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. 1 plus alpha get cancel. 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta plus 1 plus beta get cancelled. Now write the remaining. 1 minus beta into 1 plus alpha. Now simplify this value, that is equal to denominator 1 ones are 1 plus 1 into beta beta plus alpha into 1 alpha plus alpha into beta alpha beta. Denominator has simplified. Now come to the numerator. 1 ones are 1, 1 into plus beta minus alpha into 1 minus alpha minus alpha into beta alpha beta. First part is simplified. Plus come to the second part. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into alpha alpha minus beta into 1 beta minus alpha beta. Now that is equal to, now let us see here the addition. No, 1 plus 1 2 plus beta minus beta get cancelled, minus alpha plus alpha get cancelled, minus alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta value is minus 2 by 3, alpha beta value is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to, substitute the values again, 2 minus 2 times alpha beta value 1 by 3 by LCM is 3, 3 ones are 3 minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to, simplify, that is 2 minus 2 by 3 by 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 2 by 3. Now that is equal to, simplified value of this one, 3 2s are 6 minus 2, that is 4 by 3 by 2 by 3, 3 3 get cancelled, the left part is a 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. Now sum of the zeros is 2. Now please, product of zeros, product of zeros, 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. Now that is equal to 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Now 1 into 1 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta by 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into beta beta plus alpha into 1 alpha plus alpha into beta alpha beta. That is equal to, in the numerator 1 minus, please take minus common, which will be write as alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now substitute these values here. 1 minus alpha plus beta minus 2 by 3, that is a plus 2 by 3 plus alpha beta value 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Good. Similarly 1 alpha plus beta value is minus 2 by 3, plus into minus, minus 2 by 3 plus alpha beta value is 1 by 3. Now do the LCM, that is equal to, numerator LCM is 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 plus 1, in the denominator LCM is also 3, 3 ones are 3 minus 2 plus 1, 3 get cancelled. Numerator simplification, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 by denominator value 3 plus 1 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, that is 3. Now the product of zeros is 3. Therefore required quadratic polynomial x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product, that is equal to x square minus sum of zeros, answer is the 2x, product of the zeros simplification is a 3. Therefore required polynomial is x square minus 2x plus 3.